Hello everybody, welcome to this next question. Here we are talking about the previous year UGC NET questions and we are covering right now the subject linear algebra, and here is a question which is based on the matrices, eigenvalues of the matrices. So you see you have this problem, let A be a 4 cross 4 matrix and with real entries, and its eigenvalues are given as -1, 1, 2 and -2. Then there is another matrix which is a raised power 4 minus 5a square plus 5i, which of the following are correct. So you are given 4 options, you have to find out which one is correct. So the first thing is you need to compute the determinant of a plus b. So you need to compute the determinant of a plus b. Now you see given are the eigenvalues. Something is asked about the determinant and trace. So you should know the relation between determinant, trace and eigenvalues. So that relation is sum of eigenvalues of a matrix, sum of eigenvalues of a matrix is equal to the trace of the matrix, and product of eigenvalues of the matrix is equal to determinant, right? Now here we are talking about this matrix a plus b and b, a minus b and a plus b. So you should know the eigenvalues of b also. Now eigenvalues of a are given, -1, a has eigenvalues -1, 1, 2, -2. Then b, which is a raised to power 4 minus 5a square plus 5i. The eigenvalues of b will be, you see, -1 raised to power 4 minus 5 minus 1 square plus 5 into -1. So this is 1 and this is -5, this is plus I, right? So you have here plus I, sorry, this will be 1 plus 1. So the eigenvalue lambda is equal to -1 of a corresponds to lambda is equal to 1 of b. Then lambda is equal to 1 of a, that will be 1 raised to power 4 minus 5, 1 square plus 5 into, because here is identity, so you will write 1. So this is 1 minus 5 plus 5, so again 1, right? Then lambda is equal to 2 of a, right? That will correspond to 2 square, 2 raised to power 4 minus 5 into 2 square plus 5 into 1. So this is 16 minus 20 plus 5. So this is 21 minus 20, that is 1, right? And then lambda is equal to -2 of a will correspond to -2 raised to power 4 minus 5 minus 2 square plus 5 into 1, that again will be 1. So all the eigenvalues of b are 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So you get eigenvalues of b are 1, 1, 1, 1. Here note that I use this thing that if lambda is an eigenvalue of a matrix A, then for a matrix B, which is a polynomial in A, will be lambda raised to power 4 minus 5 lambda square plus 5, 1, right? Okay, and eigenvalues of, already we have eigenvalues of B are, they are given to you, are -1, 1, corresponding to -1 you get 1, corresponding to 1 you get 1, 2 and -2, right? Therefore eigenvalues of a plus b will be sum of the eigenvalues of a and b. So you have to add the corresponding eigenvalues. It is not that if here it does not matter because every eigenvalue is 1, but you have to add the corresponding eigenvalues, of course. So you get 0, 2, 3, -1. So 0, 2, 3 and -1 are the eigenvalues of a plus b, and eigenvalues of a minus b are, that will be 2, and then 1 minus 1 0, and 1 minus 2 -1, 1 minus -2, that will be 3, right? Now look at your options. First is determinant of a plus b, so that will be the product of eigenvalues. So here determinant of a plus b will be 0 into 2 into 3 into -1, which is 0. So option A is correct, right? Now next is determinant of b. So determinant of b is the product of eigenvalues, that is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. So option B is wrong, right? Now trace of a minus b, trace of A minus B will be the sum of its eigenvalues, that is 2 minus 1 plus 3, that is 4, right? So look at this option, is it correct? So your option here, it is not correct, right? This is not a correct option. Now look at the last option, that is trace of A plus B is 4. So A plus B here, the trace is sum of the eigenvalues 2 plus 3 minus 1, that is 4, right? And this is the correct option. So your answers are A and D, right? So this is how you do these simple problems. The only thing which is used here is these relations, that sum of the eigenvalues of a matrix is equal to the trace of the matrix, product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of that matrix, and also you need to know these concepts, that how to find out the eigenvalues of a matrix which is polynomial in terms of other matrix and things like that. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends.